Hey guys, welcome to my blog and website www.marketanalysiswithmeghmodi.com and my YouTube channel Megh Modi. Here, this chart is a weekly chart of Nifty Midcap 100. Here in this chart, I have already shown an impulse wave in which, if you see properly, I have been showing wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, which is an extended wave. Within that, I have shown you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where I've completed wave 3. Now, the best part about excuse me, about this chart is that this is one of the most amazing impulse wave chart. Why? Because this chart gives you an identification of how an impulse waves look like. Now, when I say about impulse waves are basically, marked in a numerical form, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in that, wave 1, wave 3, and wave 5 are always in the main direction, whereas wave 2 and wave 4 will always be in the opposite direction. Still, we write this as we mark it in the numerical form. Now, if you see, as per the rules of impulse wave, we always say that either one of the three impulse waves have to be the largest. Now, this is one of the trickiest part of ElliottWave. Here in this case, what we have seen is wave 3 being extended, which means that the subdivisions of wave 3 is equal to what we have seen in bigger wave 1 and 2, or maybe in 4. So all the subdivisions of wave 3 is almost equal to what we have witnessed in wave 1 and wave 2, or maybe wave 3, or maybe wave 4. So now, what I want you to show in this chart is that since wave 2 was the sharpest one, I am now expecting wave 4, which is now ongoing, will be some kind of a flat pattern. Now here I have tried to mark neo wave diametric pattern after completion of wave 3, and I have marked a bigger wave A. Now if it is true, then wave B can at least exceed till 80% of the entire fall from wave 3 to wave A, which means that this index is now poised to go till 21,000 odd points. If it is true, now for a flat pattern, it is important for it to at least reach till 80%. It can even exceed to 80%, go till 100%, or maybe even above 100%. Then there will be different versions of flat pattern. Now once this flat pattern is over, then again we might dip back to complete wave 4, and then again we might go in wave 5. Now if this is true, then midcap is not going to crash for sure. Okay, and this is the prediction which I am doing, that midcap is not going to crash. There are high chances that it can again come back and test where the wave A has ended, but that can be utilized as a buying opportunity for the next wave up to ride. Now this is something which I have already prognosticated and already I have mentioned, but here in this video, but in my website where I have already mentioned about particular chart, I have just given a forecasted wave B prediction, prediction. So the entire formation is now, the entire prognostication of wave 4 and wave 5 is only added in this video. So you can see that, you can also enjoy it, and you can also see the entire rise and how I have marked it. This is something that is very much different from what people mark. There are a number of analysts who will definitely mark ABCX, ABC, but here in this case I have been marking it as 1, 2, 1, 2. And if you see it closely, the first fall where I have marked wave 2, the first wave 2 is the fall of 2008. Thereafter I have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and completed wave 3 up, and now we are ongoing in wave 4, where wave A is completed and wave B is ongoing. So this is what the midcap Nifty Midcap 100 weekly chart looks like and what is going to happen in near future. Well, that is all from my side. Thank you so very much.